going to provide like a terrarium, not an aquarium, a terrarium.
Then you take the top out of the water.
The plant's going to stand up in there.
I'm saying the top.
No, it collects the water from the ground.
Oh.
It comes up in there like them little bubbles, and then when it get cold, it rains back to it. But you can still water it. Let's see, how many you got? One.
Just one of them.
That's a good one right there.
Tell me how big it is. Stand straight on straight.
Yeah, how big the leaves are.
CJ needs some of these at home.
For these plants?
Yeah, he planted them other things outside. I guess we took it outside too early and the sun killed them. They got real tall. And then when I took it outside, it died the same day.
So you have to see, like those in the window right there, they getting transformed